Now, can you solve this advanced logarithm equation? The equation is actually very simple. In fact, with a simple trick, we solve it in few steps. Do you believe that? Yes. Now, to solve this equation, look at the board. We have e raised to the power x plus ln x equals 2e raised to the power 2. Whoa, looks scary, but actually very simple. Now, to solve exponential equation like this, we have two methods. Either you make this base the same, or you take the logarithm of both sides. But making these two bases the same here is actually almost impossible to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the ln of both sides. That's a log e of both sides. So take ln of this. We have ln e to the power of x plus ln x equals to ln into brackets 2e raised to the power 2. Yes, we take the ln of both sides. Now, according to the law of logarithm, this power comes behind. So we have x plus ln x ln e equals, and also according to the law of logarithm, we have two multiplied terms here. So it will be ln 2 plus ln e raised to the power 2. Okay, times becomes addition. Now, here now we're going to have x plus ln x. Don't forget, ln e gives us what? 1. Because ln is a log to the base of e. So log e base e gives us 1. Okay, so that's 1. Then we have ln 2 plus 2 up here comes behind 2 ln e. Are you following? So here now we have x plus ln x equals ln 2 plus ln e will also give us 1. So give us ln 2 plus what? 2. Now what do we do from here? We have gotten our final answer actually. Do you believe? X plus ln x, ln 2 plus 2. But let's write it very well so that you understand. X plus ln x equals 2 plus ln 2. You can say that the left hand side and the right hand side of our equation looks exactly the same. X 2, ln x, ln 2. So therefore, from direct comparison, therefore x equals what? 2. As simple as that. Substitute 2 into this, you're going to get 2e squared. Very simple. It is not hard. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for you to learn how to solve complex and more intricate logarithm equations. Till next time, bye bye.